Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example from circles. In the above figure, O is the incenter of the triangle ABC. AO produced meets the circumcircle of the triangle ABC at point D. Angle BAC is given as 50 degree and angle ABC is given as 70 degree. Now we have to find here three missing angles. So the first angle to be found is angle BCD. So let me highlight this. So this is the small angle which we need to find. But before that, let us understand the words incenter and circumcircle in the given question. Now starting with the circumcircle, it is a circle which touches all the vertices of the given triangle. So you can see a circle has been given and it passes or touches all the vertices of the given triangle. So this becomes the circumcircle. And the line is drawn through the incenter of the triangle, which is at point O, and extended so that it touches the circumcircle of the triangle at point D. Next, let us understand what is the meaning of the incenter of a given triangle. The incenter of a triangle is the point of intersection of all the three interior angle bisectors of the triangle. Now you can see that I have drawn a triangle ABC, and through each vertex I have drawn an angle bisector. Now angle bisector is a line which divides the angle into two equal halves. So for example, if angle A is 100 degree, this line divides the 100 degree into 50 degree and 50 degree. So likewise, if we draw the angle bisectors through the remaining two angles, the point at which all the three meet is called as the incenter of the triangle. And using this incenter point, if we draw a circle, then it is going to touch all the three sides of the triangle equally. And that circle is called as the incircle of the triangle. So basically a line that passes through the incenter point becomes the angle bisector of the triangle. Now let us see how we can make use of this concept to find the missing angle above. Now here, if we look at angle A, there is a line which passes through the incenter of the given triangle, which means the line AD becomes the angle bisector of angle A. So this entire 50 degree is going to be divided into two equal halves, that is 25 degree and 25 degree. Now after finding this, we have to actually find out the missing angle BCD. And to find this angle, we are going to make use of a circle theorem, which is angles in the same segment theorem. It states that angles in the same segment are equal. Now you can see that I have drawn a circle and there are 2 points marked on it, that is A and B. Now these 2 points divide the entire circle into two segments. One is the smaller segment between these 2 points, which is called as the minor segment, and the other one is the bigger part or the larger part, which is called as the major segment. Now let us make some angles between these 2 points in the major segment. That is, from point A, there is an angle made on the circumference of the circle and it connects to point B. Similarly, I'll draw one more angle in the major segment. So you can draw n number of angles in the major segment or the minor segment. Now let us consider these points as C, D and E, or angle C, angle D and angle E made in the major segment. Now according to the given theorem, if we consider the angle C as 50 degree, then angle D is also going to be 50 degree and angle E is also going to be 50 degree, because all the three angles are made in the major segment by the same 2 points. So let us see how we can use this theorem to solve the example above. Now coming back to this diagram, since we have to find out the angle C between the points B and D, we can see that B and D divides the entire circle into two segments. One is the small segment in between B and D, and one is the larger segment, which is major segment. So using these 2 points, let us draw an angle at point A, this way, connecting to point D. And using the same 2 points, we are going to draw an angle at point C. So by using the angles in the same segment theorem, we can now say that angle A and angle C both are in the major segment and they both are made by the same 2 points B and D. So if angle A is 25 degree, then angle C is also going to be 25 degree. So we have written here angle BCD is equal to 25 degree. That is by using angles in the same segment theorem. Now let us look at the second missing angle. So the second angle to be found is angle OCD. So let me highlight this. So this is the total angle we need to find, that is angle O, C and D. But a part of it we have already got from part 1 of this question. So we need to find out what is this remaining angle. So for that, let us make use of the angle sum property of a triangle and find the total angle C of this given triangle, since we have the angle A's value and angle B's value. So let us write angle C equal to 180 degree minus the remaining two angles, which is 50 degree plus 70 degree. So here we get the value of angle C as 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So the total angle C is going to be 60 degree. Now we know that the line passing through the incenter of the given triangle is acting as an angle bisector of the given vertex. So here line OC is acting as an angle bisector of point C. So 60 degree is divided into two equal halves, that is 30 and 30. Now once we have found out the angle OCB, we have to just add up the angle 30 with angle 25 to get the total angle OCD. So let us write here. So angle OCD is equal to 30 degree plus 25 degree, which will give us total of 55 degree. That is using the incenter of triangle concept. Now let us find out the last missing angle, which is angle BOC. So let me highlight that. So this is the angle we need to find, that is angle BOC. Now using the incenter of triangle concept again, we can easily say that BO is acting as an angle bisector of angle B. So the angle B gets divided into two equal halves, that is 35 and 35. Now let us consider the triangle BOC. So now again, by using the angle sum property of a triangle, we can find out the value of angle O as 180 degree minus 35 degree and minus 30 degree, that is angle B and angle C from the triangle OBC. So here we get the value of angle O as 115 degree. So here we have written the value of angle BOC as 115 degree, that is by using the incenter of triangle and sum of angles of triangle concept. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. If you know any other way of finding these angles, do comment below. And if you are liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.